Welcome to the world of wood-cutting machines, where sheer power meets cutting-edge technology. From chainsaws to sawmills, harvesters, and more, you're about to witness the raw power of these incredible machines. Let's dive in and see what the world of forestry has in store.
Oh my God.
Ever wonder what it feels like to take down a towering tree all by yourself? There's nothing like the thrill. But hey, let's not forget, safety first, always. No matter how exhilarating the moment, staying safe must be your top priority. Oof! Did you see that?
Sorry, it's gonna be
Even
documented.
seasoned experts know that one slip-up can have serious consequences, physically and financially. That was a close one. You can't mess around with this level of power.
Oh my God. There's no way that was safe.
Brace yourself, because this is forestry at its finest. The John Deere 1270G, packing a beastly engine and smart control systems, teams up with the H415 harvester head to create an unstoppable force. This duo doesn't just handle tough conditions, it thrives in them. The 1270G powers through the roughest forests, while the H415's multi-tree feed rollers and single-speed motor maximize efficiency and durability. At $570,000, this combo isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in forestry. And when it comes to splitting logs, meet the Croco Log Splitter, a beast in its own league. This powerhouse rips through timber like a croc, tearing into prey. Fast, fierce, and incredibly efficient, it turns firewood prep into pure satisfaction. Now, we're at the sawmill. Precision is key here. The WireX CZP 3 vertical band saw is built to handle both small and large logs with ease, ensuring perfectly dimensioned lumber with every cut. This machine is a true symbol of efficiency in any lumber operation. Whoa! We're talking logs weighing nearly 100 tons. Not even the toughest trucks can conquer these steep climbs solo. That's when the tractors step in. Pure teamwork at its finest. Watching this raw power in action is nothing short of intense. Got a stubborn stump? The Woodland Mills WG24 PTO stump grinder is here to save the day. With its 24-inch carbide-tipped grinding wheel, powered by your tractor's PTO, it chews through stumps with ease, grinding up to 6 inches deep. Perfect for making landscaping or farm work faster and easier. Wow! Just listen to the sound of that chainsaw biting into a massive cedar tree. It's pure excitement. The clean cuts, the cracking of wood, and then, boom, down it goes. That's the kind of action that keeps us hooked.
She goes.
Picture this. You're behind the wheel of a fully loaded truck, tackling steep hills. It's like a high-stakes video game, but for real. These drivers? They're pros, navigating wild terrain with the precision of a master gamer. Pure adrenaline. Need a chipper with serious power? The CBI ChipMax 484 is a beast. With its high-torque 1,050 horsepower engine, it cranks out wood chips up to 50% faster than most models. Perfect for biofuel or microchips, fully customizable and built to handle the toughest jobs. This machine is unstoppable. Watch out! Cutting down a large tree can be as tricky as defusing a bomb. One wrong move, and the root ball could become a deadly projectile. Always make sure no one stands behind it, and keep safety at the forefront. Witness the artistry of Japanese woodworking as a sawmill transforms 300-year-old elm logs into flawless planks. The sawyer's skill shines, but it's the saw doctor's precise blade preparation that makes every cut perfect. A stunning showcase of Japan's dedication to perfection, with planks that exceed all expectations. Wow! Meet the Cambio 800, a beast of a machine, shredding bark like a high-powered blender at 120 meters per minute. Powered by a 75-kilowatt motor, this isn't just about getting the job done. It's about total domination. Pure power in action. Holy cow. That was way too close. A leaning tree is a hazard you should never underestimate. Assessing risks beforehand is key to preventing a disaster. It's situations like these that make you appreciate the right tools and methods. In the world of elite machinery, nothing tops the Logset 6F and its flawless performance in thick mud. The seamless interaction of human skill and raw machine power is like poetry in motion. And let's talk true sawmilling artistry, the Frick sawmill. For over 150 years, it's been a legend, bringing unmatched power, precision, and versatility to lumber yards across the globe. This isn't just a machine, it's the workhorse that's built an industry. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey through the world of forestry machines. Whether you're in awe of the machines, impressed by the skill, or amazed by nature's beauty, there's something here for everyone. Leave a comment and let us know what you think. Keywords: forestry machines, woodworking, lumber industry, timber cutting.